Hello everyone, this is Nnamdi Henach, your owner and lead faculty at NSTAR Technologies. And on today's recording for our database administration frequently asked questions, I'll be answering the question, which of the database platforms should I learn? This is one question we get all the time. Students who want to get into database administration tend to ask, okay, what's the best platform? Which one pays the most? What's the best one? Which one should I learn? Um, and that's a difficult question because there's so many database management platforms. There's Oracle, there's SQL Server, there's MySQL, there's Access, there's Postgres, there's the Amazon RDS, there's CouchDB. The list goes on and on. There's Sybase, Mongo, Cassandra. It's a long list of database platforms, and they all have their unique selling points. There's all pros and cons to each one of them. It all comes down to business needs, business requirements. There's the open source ones, that get towards doing several things. So there's so many to choose from, and it's difficult to say this is the best one. However, I'll give you my top three based on just popularity, the ones I've encountered and worked with, and I have some experience with. And I'll say top of my list would be Microsoft SQL Server. And it's just because of the features and how Microsoft has grown and packaged their products. It does so much. So I'll say Microsoft SQL Server for sure. Oracle will be right behind it, and then MySQL will be on the leaderboard as well because of its open source and efficacy with multiple platforms. So those would be my top three that I would recommend. However, again, that's just my opinion. There's somebody else might give you another three and have their own justification for it. So yeah, that's my answer to that. I hope that helps. But yes, well, if you have any other questions, please feel free to shoot me a message. I'll be glad to answer those. And again, this is Nnamdi Henach from NSTAR Technologies. I'm looking forward to talking to you again. Have a blessed rest of your day. Bye.